How can a place value chart help me multiply? In this lesson, students will use regrouping strategies as they model single-digit multiplication with base 10 blocks. Previously, students have placed base 10 blocks in equal groups to model multiplication problems, such as 2 times 3 equals 6. They have also used place value charts with addition and subtraction, and they should understand that when I have 10 ones, I regroup them into a rod in the tens column. Today, students will be using a place value chart to multiply. This will help them become aware of regrouping that happens in multiplication, and this knowledge will in turn help them when they learn how to multiply larger numbers in later grades. For now, let's look at how your child will solve these problems. If I take my review problem, 2 times 3, and place it in the place value chart, I have 2 groups of 3. What is the answer? It's 6. Is regrouping required for a number like 6 in the ones place? Students should understand that regrouping is not required. The number must be over 10 in order to regroup. You'll want to have your child experiment with several problems that don't require regrouping, like 2 times 4 and 3 times 3, to get more comfortable and see that there are times regrouping is not required. But what about a problem like 2 times 8? I have 2 groups of 8 in the ones column for a total of 16 ones. Based upon what we already know about place value, can I have 16 in the ones place? No, I need to regroup 10 of the ones and trade them for 1 rod or a 10. So I take 10 ones and trade them for 1 rod. Now this shows 2 times 8 is 110 and 6 ones or 16. Let's try 5 times 6. I have 5 groups of 6 ones in the ones column for a total of 30. Now, can I write 30 in the ones column? The answer is no. I need to regroup and trade 10 ones for a rod. So if I take 10 ones, and that's 1 rod, I still need to regroup, and I'm going to take 10 ones and regroup it for a rod. When I look in the ones place, I still have 10 ones. I'm going to take those 10 ones and also regroup them for a rod. So now my place value chart is showing that I have 3 tens and 0 ones for a total of 30. In review, we multiplied 2 single-digit numbers using a place value chart. We learned how the chart can help students see situations where regrouping is required and where it's not. We also discussed how this understanding is a stepping stone to more difficult multiplication concepts.